Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to get unlimited access on Dreamina AI. It's completely free. Alright, let's get started. First, just download the Nigeria VPN apps from the Play Store, and once it's installed, just connect to the VPN. Just connect it. After that, just open your browser and search for Dreamina AI. This one, just tap it. And then just tap on try it now. After that, just check this part and then sign in, and then just sign in with your email. This one, continue with email, and then enter your email. And then verify your account using a code sent to your inbox. And then just fill in your date of birth to complete the setup. And then just choose role that describe you. It's totally up to you. And then once your account is ready, just check the credits on the bottom left corner, this one. This one. If it shows 0 credits, that means you now have unlimited access. But if you want to use all Dreamina's feature, don't forget to disconnect your VPN first. And then go back to your browser. After that, you will be able to generate photos or video with the 0 credits, just like this. Okay, maybe that's it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.